The magic thing about home is that it feels good to leave and it feels even better to come back. Today I'll show you the most luxurious builder floor by an Alante Group with modern designing, spacious living, highly efficient elevators, terrace gardens with most of all the comforts. If you talk about an Alante is in this construction from last 14 years. They have delivered multiple units and builder floor, especially in the posh areas and colonies of Gurgaon like DLF Phase 1, South City 1, Sushant Lok 1 and many more. Hello everyone, my name is Harmeet Singh. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you the most luxurious builder floor by an Alante Group. Let's have a tour. Their all projects have extraordinary architecture, 7-star luxury interior from Italian marble to designer glazed ceilings, luxury appliances to premium fitting. Every aspect of interior radiates elegance and sophistication. Today I'm going to show you the builder floor or a sample builder floor, you can say, by an Alante Group. The size of this builder floor is 335 square yard and this is a 4 BHK unit. They do have different sizes in their property, like you can get 160 square yard builder floor, 180, 430 and many more. And this is the sample builder floor made by an Alante Group. This is a 4 BHK unit and I would show you what actually they provides in their builder floor and why we call their builder floor a luxury builder floor. Now let me show you the master bedroom of this house. The size of this master bedroom is 13 by 19. You'd get an attached balcony with an attached bathroom with this master bedroom. और जहाँ मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि अलांटे हमेशा अपनी लग्जरी के लिए जाना जाता है और अगर लग्जरी की बात की जाए तो इटालियन मार्बल्स इन्होंने पूरे बिल्डर फ्लोर में प्रोवाइड किया है एंड यू कैन सी दिस डिजाइनर लाइट्स, दे आर मूवेबल. That's what actually Alante provides you. So this comes in the luxury too. इसके साथ ये आपको split AC भी दे रहे हैं और आप अगर इस तरफ आए तो यहाँ पर आपको wardrobe मिलेगी which is a nice decent size and that's your attached bathroom with this property. You would get an attached bathroom with this master bedroom. The size of this bathroom is 5 by 9. Now let me show you the drawing and dining area. The size of this drawing and dining area is 13 by 20 और अगर यहाँ पे भी आपको वही इटालियन मार्बल जैसे कि मैंने पहले आपको डिफाइन किया था पूरे फ्लोर में यूज़ किया गया है और यहाँ पर आपको वाइट लाइटनिंग भी प्रोवाइड की गई है. And if you can see they are providing you the Havells fan, but it's not the normal Havells fan. आपको देखा जाए अगर आप फैन की तरफ देखेंगे तो काफ़ी डिज़ाइनर और एक एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी रिच लुक ये आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहा है और इसके साथ आपको ये AC भी प्रोवाइड करेंगे. So you will get a 2 AC in your drawing and dining area. I hope आपको ड्राइंग एंड डाइनिंग एरिया पसंद आया होगा. नाउ लेट मी शो यू द फैमिली लॉन्च ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी. अगर यहाँ से आप आते हैं तो इफ यू वुड सी ऑन योर राइट यू कैन मेक दिस स्पेस, यू कैन यूज दिस स्पेस एज अ पूजा रूम. आप उसको एज अ पूजा रूम भी यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन सी. और अगर आप थोड़ा सा आगे आएंगे देन यू विल गेट अ फैमिली लॉन्च और द साइज ऑफ दिस फैमिली लॉन्च इज 10 by 15 और इसी के साथ आपको 3 रूम्स और कनेक्टेड मिलेंगे एंड यू कैन सी जस्ट ऑन माय लेफ्ट साइड देयर इज अ बाथरूम ओवर हियर. यू कैन यूज दिस बाथरूम एज अ पाउडर रूम और एज अ कॉमन वॉशरूम. Let me show you the second master bedroom. You can see this designer door with the vinyl finish. The size of this bedroom is 13 by 90. And you can see the cabinet around there, how beautiful it looks like. And you would get an attached bathroom and an attached balcony with your second master bedroom. Have a look. Now let me show you the third room. This is our third room. You can call this room as a guest room. They have used Norvices switches in all over the builder floor, and the size of this room is 13 by 15. And the best part is you would get an spacious bathroom with this room too. The size of the bathroom is 5 by 10. Now let me show you the fourth bedroom. You can call this room as a kids room. The size of this room is 13 by 15. You would get a bathroom and attached balcony with this room too. So this is our kitchen. This is a fully loaded and modular kitchen. You'll get a cafe appliances installed in this kitchen, and you would get an attached balcony with this kitchen too. I hope guys ये घर आपको पसंद आया होगा. If you want to go with Elante, they are providing you a different couple of sizes. Like you would get 460 square yard builder floor or 350 square yard builder floor in Adani Samsara, which is located in sector 65. And if you want to go with 160 square yard or 180 square yard, then they're gonna give you that sizes in Anantaraj Estate, which is located in sector 63A. और अगर connectivity की बात की जाए तो just on the corner you would get a golf course road, and on the parallel you would get a golf course extension road. Everything is just around the corner. If you need any further details or further information, please contact us on a given number below. Thank you. Have a nice day.